Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in tonight's video I want to talk about the PAWS snapshots. Today is the 30th of December, as we all know, and the snapshot has been taken. So now we move to the next step towards TGE, where we need to connect our wallet and prepare for claims. So this is my app presently. I have 332.72k and then 10 wrapped PAWS. You can see the PAWS mask has been removed, and presently there is no tax to do here, as it is all pending tax has been removed. So the first step is you tap on this visit website. You need to come here to verify yourself. So while this is open, you can see this arrow beside my username. I'll go ahead and tap that. So you have to connect your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet. So I'll go ahead and start with the Ton wallet. I'll tap on that and I will connect my Ton keeper. So after connecting my Ton keeper, I will do the same thing for my Phantom wallet. That's for my Solana wallet. So I'll tap on this and I would open with Phantom, connect Phantom wallet. So this should take me straight to Phantom. That's the Solana wallet I would recommend you use. So this is here. I'll go ahead and tap on connect, and I guess that's connected. So let me come back to this app, and it's not connected yet, so I'll go ahead and do this again. So it's important for you to connect your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet. So once you connect that, the next step is to wait for the claim button. So just wait for the claim button. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so now I need to tap on verify yourself, and I'll go back and open the same Telegram account. So I'll wait for it to load. So account is verified. I can continue in website or stay in Telegram. So let me do continue in websites, and just to show you what it looks like. So my Ton is connected, but my Solana is still not showing. I don't know why, but it says I am verified. Let me try again. If this is not working, I would suggest you connect the Solana wallet using your Phantom wallet. Let me see if it says my account is verified. Continue websites. Okay, but this is still not showing. So let me try this. I would let me just share, copy link. So I would open this using my Phantom wallet. Let me try using my Phantom wallet to be sure this connects properly. So in my Phantom wallet, I'll come to where I have the browser. So I'll paste this link and I'll visit. So I need to verify myself using this. It's the same thing. It's not displaying the connection for the Solana wallet. Then here you would see this claim button. It says make sure to connect wallet and follow our socials. Claim is coming soon. And I can go back to the dashboard. So basically that's how you connect your wallets and verify your accounts. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.